Well, we've come a long way since day 2. It's been almost a week since I've filmed. I've done some work, only because I don't think it's necessary to film every little bit of putting this stuff on. But I've done quite a bit, and I wanted to do a catch-up here. The holes that were there are all filled now with spray foam down to about this far to the bottom, so the weep holes can still drain. Both sides, all the way around the fender wells, and then down the rail, and then some up there. But I'm going to do more. That's why I haven't put any more of this sound deadening up that far. Both sides, I've done a little bit up on the top. I got to get some more, which I'm getting today. But both sides of the fender wells, and I started doing inside the doors. You can see maybe this one, and maybe not. But the other two on the other side are done up to, here, I'll show you. They're done this far. Both doors are up to there, and then I'll put some filler and then do it again from these holes. I got a sound deadening on the outer panels of the doors. And we got to catch up on a little bit of the sound deadening panels. This stuff here is much thicker, like 3 times as thick. This is almost 300 mil, and actually a third more, because that's almost 200 mil, and this is almost 3. And I just finished this up this morning. You can see I had to overlap it a little bit to get it square, because yeah, you work your way down and eventually it's not exactly square at the top or square line anymore. But anyway, I just finished this off this morning, the last 4 rows from here down, 4 or 5 rows. The new stuff just came today, so I figured I'd bring it in the shop quick, finish it off. But I got more of this thinner stuff coming to finish the rest of this all the way up to the ceiling, and then I'm going to put more on the ceiling. I was going to put some of the sticker stuff on the ceiling, but I don't think it's necessary. It's the same cost, so I may do it just for, because I'm going to come way back here. This is all going to come off yet. Both this black piece and the panel will come off, and I'll bring this all the way up, because up here in the front is actually insulated, and this is too. This is insulated underneath it. Oh, you can barely see it, but I want it better sound deadening, because I don't want to hear that going down dirt roads. So anyway, a little bit more to catch up on. Let's go back around the other side here. And it's a better view from here. Not as noisy with the heater blowing, but so we got more of the thinner to go down the walls here, touch up, a little bit more here, all on the outside of the doors yet. And I'm going to make some panels to put over everything to seal the panels off with probably wood, 1/2-inch wood, just for the fact that I can actually bolt things to it. Once the doors are open and I'm camping, I can use a swing down table type of thing or whatever. So that will have wood on it, but I won't have any wood in the interior as far as walls and ceiling. I'm not going to go that far. And truthfully, the main reason is because it's noisy. You put wood in a vehicle and you drive down the road and it squeaks and creaks and just, it moves too much, and it's just too noisy for me. Everything will be fabric if I have my way. So it's quiet and warmer. So that's the catch up here. I know it's a short, brief video, but anyway, most people don't have a long attention span anyway, so shorter the better for most people, I guess. When I went outside this morning to start to bring it in the shop, it was cold in here. This thing insulates the actual temperature, so in the summertime running air conditioning, it's going to be nice back here. Alright, enough pipe dreaming. I'm going to get this thing back outside. I got some errands to run today. We'll get some more spray foam for these doors, for one. Get the doors done so I can get some more panels on. Tuesday, those panels are coming. So throughout the week, I'll get the panels done, and then on the weekend, we'll do another touch-up video, maybe. Catch-up video. Alright, see you then.